counter this in the sense to prove the truth of this. But we were told we are not allowed to do that. So we had to keep that on a side. Now, we will distribute a piece of paper on this. However, you should have seen the main actress of this film.
The video show and the dialogue on the film was organized by the world's leading human rights organizations such as Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch and the International Crisis Group. Participating at the dialogue after the screening of the film, Major General Shavinda Silva pointed out that its director has accepted the fact that there was no owner of the video footage which is being highlighted as war crimes. It has been proved that the witnesses used to prove these false facts were not credible persons. It has been revealed that the key witness in the program, Vani Kumar, who claimed that she was in the no-fire zone during the final stage of the war, had actually stayed in the country illegally for around 1 year, although she had mentioned that she arrived in Sri Lanka obtaining 6 months visa. There were several facts to prove that this woman was not a civilian but a member of the LTTE. She has used 3 names covering her real identity. Ambassador Shavinda Silva questioned as to how one can accept the evidence given by such a woman. Dr. Shanmugaraja was the second eyewitness in the program.
After the 18th of May, has given interviews saying that this, what is here, was forcefully told by LTT to do that. And we can prove that those videos are there.
After arriving in the government-controlled areas along with a group of civilians, this doctor told media that he had to present false information and to act under the pressure of the LTTE. Major General Shavinda Silva noted that the statements made by this doctor had been used to confirm visuals of this program, and it was a great blow for the media ethics. This doctor had clearly stated that the LTT had recorded statements from him forcing him to blow up the small number of injured as thousands of injured persons in the humanitarian operation. Ambassador Shavinda Silva highlighted false and baseless allegations levelled against Sri Lanka, taking examples from the program.
Observe properly. See, it's bombing to a jungle. It's not to a high security zone or this piece of places that he was trying to show. No, it was a jungle. Even if you put now, we can show it was a jungle. And thereafter, from the jungle, he show a picture of somewhere else. This is what is the production. That is one. The other area, what we saw is, he says, the narrator says that UN in Colombo had taken satellite images. You put this, I will show you. In that picture says Sri Lanka Air Force, SLAF pictures. But the narration says UN. Very wrong, I mean, you using the UN name. But we can show these things. Now this is the film that this gentleman had made and trying to show. But if at all, I'm sure that you are not come to listen to all these things, but I'm sure you will know to your hearts the truth of this. If you are given the opportunity, we will show each and everything. Now, one bunker, you would have seen aerial bombing and few civilians, a father, mother and child, be rushing to a trench at the beginning of the film. Okay? If any one of you all knows Tamil, take the film to a Tamil and ask them to tell what is told by these people. Now the film, the cameraman is taking the picture from top and they are going down like this in the trench. They are going down in the trench. And these people who are going down say not to film this. This is a production. This is a production. Okay? You can go through that and see. You can go through that and see. You just take this film. This is in the Google and YouTube. Take that and just ask a Tamil, someone who knows Tamil to tell what it is there.